Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Can I say from the outset, may I ask permission from the outset to tell you that everyday people doing something just a little bit different can profit so much from index trading. What I'm going to take you through tonight, the traders that are trading my plan took around about 150% return off the table. For those trading a more aggressive plan, they could have taken 200% plus return off the table in a very short trading session. Ladies and gents, if you want to know why I do what I do and more about who taught me to do this, then please go to a live webinar and find out for yourselves. They run every Monday night, Australian Eastern Standard Time, starting at 8 p.m. They are live, being run by a couple of the traders, and they really get down and dirty about what we do and how we do it. And I really encourage you to jump on the website and have a look. It's if you want to go to a webinar, it's simply www.tradeforyourfuture.com.au. That's www.tradeforyourfuture.com.au. What I'm about to show you tonight is the reason why we trade. In fact, talk about getting passionate about trading. It's nights like tonight that reinforce why we continue to become very good at what we do. Let me run you through the trading and you'll understand why. Now you can see here that the first signal we got was in fact a sell signal. Now for those that are building up an archive of my trading, you'll note that even with the sell bias, a standard sell signal, we go for 2 points. As it turns out, we got our 2 points literally within about 3 minutes. Now we kept on bopping along. We got a first against the trend. You know I don't take those. I then got a second continuation that again paid 2 points, a third continuation that paid 2 points, and a fourth continuation that paid 2 points. Can I please put a big caveat out there tonight? If we had have gone for a more aggressive target, which we have done later in the night, we could have actually returned 10 points on the first signal, and then we could have got 7 points on the second, and then around 5 on the third. We're looking at around about 20 points or 100% return on your money in the first 18 minutes of trading. Literally the 18 minutes worth of trading. You can see I'm a little bit hoarse already from talking tonight because I got so excited trading this market. It was brilliant. As it turns out, I ended up with around about 150% return for the night, which really I don't think can be frowned upon. But either way, we got a first against the trend buy signal here. It didn't take it. We took a second against the trend, which had a beautiful format. We took that second against the trend. It was a standard buy signal. We were only going for a 3-point target because we were trading against the bias. We picked up those 3 points. We got a continuation buy, picked up those 2 points, picked up another 2 points. Finally, we had our first partial stop out for the night. I needed this continuation signal to go to 2 points. As it turns out, it went to 1.5, then turned around and came against us. However, the auto trailing stop caught it. So again, that's the reason for the auto trailing stop and the reason for that teaching. That actually took us into the mid-session breather. Now, talk about a mid-session breather. We weren't actually in the mid-session for long. I've moved that bar so it doesn't interfere with me explaining what's going on. We didn't get much of a break because we jumped into a continuation signal, and this is where we start to trade a little bit more aggressively in the literally in the second hour of the session. Now you'll note with interest here, and also on the first slide, there was a big comment about do not get out unless the market tells you to. Now in this case here, we picked up a continuation sell signal. It actually ended up paying 5.25 points, not the original 2 points that we normally go for. Now we did get a second continuation sell signal here. However, I actually took a stop out on that one. I actually gave back 2 points, which is just part of trading. You know, it's nothing personal. It's just the way it goes. I was still in a short with this one here, so brilliant. We got to take it down. Now we did get a first against the trend buy signal just here. You'll note that we don't take first against the trends. I did then get a standard buy signal followed by a big picture buy followed by a second big picture buy, all heading north. Now I was getting a little bit nervous, I must say, at this point just here, because I was teasing, certainly the stop loss for this trade was absolutely being teased. But my point is that, you know what, when you've got 3 backed up trades like we normally do get at this time of night, quite often they run onto profit and run onto profit quite nicely. As it turns out, We were running north, and as I said before, if the market does not give you a reason to get out, then don't get out. It is a huge emotional barrier for you to step over, but once you can step over it, you will have an absolute ball trading. As it turns out, we actually got out of our long positions, these ones here, to get into this short. Now, what did we get out with? Over, say, 5 points, 3 points, and 3 points. 5, 3, and 3 is quick mass, 11 points. So that literally around about a 55% return just here out of those 3 buy signals. That's one reason why we stay with it. As it turns out, we got a second against the trend big picture sell. It actually didn't go anywhere because right in the face of it, I got a continuation buy, which means I actually gave back a point or 5% on that trade. I then got out of the continuation buy at break even because I got a sell confirmed to go the other way. Now that did go down 1.5 points before I then got a buy signal to confirm and go back the other way. As it turns out, we took 2 points off the market with that last buy signal, and then we hit the end of the session. Now, ladies and gents, I really want to bring this into context because you know, a number of people that went to one of the webinars about 3 or 4 weeks ago have already signed up and have actually already started trading, and they're doing very, very similar to what I'm doing. And I think that's brilliant because they'd come from a completely non-trading background. They had no idea about this, and I think they realized the massive advantage that the index trading has over forex trading or CFD trading or options trading. Simply, we don't use market makers, which makes a huge difference. Ultimately tonight, I got 29.75 points. So let's, for the purpose of maths, let's call it 30 points. Most of the people that I trade with trading off my plan would have achieved exactly the same thing tonight. Ultimately, what does that mean? 30 points at 5% per point is 150% return. So for the one contract traders out there trading $1,000, well done, you made 1,500 US. For the 10 contractors out there, and well done, boys, you would have, boys and girls, you would have had a great night tonight. Would have been just on 15,000 US return. So, ladies and gents, trading has been brilliant. The market continues to give us phenomenal opportunities on a daily basis. Please go to a web conference and find out more about what we do. In fact, not only find out what we do, but also find out how we do it. Simply visit the website www.tradeforyourfuture.com.au. Thanks heaps for coming along and having a look at the video, and I will update you every day this week on how the trading goes. Have a great day, and let me tell you, the 9th of March will go down in history as one of the best trading days we've had. Have a great day, and bye for now.